Experience next-level precision with the gold standard in immunoassay antibodies. BioTechne brands, R&DSystems, and Novice Biologicals lead in antibody innovation with 37 years of expertise, offering top quality, the largest portfolio, and proven performance. Welcome to BioTechne website. In this video, we'll show you how to find the perfect antibody for your research. Here, you'll access our massive catalog, the largest and most diverse commercial portfolio of premium antibodies. Type your target or protein into the search bar. Use the filters to narrow your results by species reactivity, application, or conjugate. Our smart search tools will help you quickly find what you need. Click on the recommended antibody to view its details. Our ultra-pure antibodies ensure reliable results with no cross-reactivity. Click on the product data sheet to explore detailed information. You'll find crucial data, including product specifications, validation images, preparation, and storage information. Each lot is validated to ensure reliable performance, supported by our comprehensive validation data, more than any other vendor. To help you decide, check the validation data and customer reviews to see how the antibody performs in various applications, and find the best immunoassay antibodies, proteins used as immunogens that are expressed in mammalian cells to produce full-length, properly folded, properly glycosylated, bioactive antigens. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to our team at ELO Parsa Utama, the exclusive distributor for BioTechne brands. For more resources, visit the BioTechne website.